Which of the following ordered pairs x, y satisfies both equations y equals x squared plus 3x minus 4 and x equals y minus 4? This, there's often more than one way to do a problem. That's true in a lot of times in math. There's more often than not, there's multiple ways to go at a problem. Always on a SAT or PSAT, think in terms of what's the fastest. You have a very limited time. We want to do what's fastest. So one thing I could do is I could try to factor this and rearrange this so it's y equals something, and then go, okay, if I factor it and then plot out some ordered pairs of this graph, that would get me the answer. It's going to take a long time. First thing I look at here is I go, okay, if I plug all of these into this equation, it's going to take me time. What would be faster? Plugging them into this equation, because it has to satisfy both equations. So if it doesn't fit this one, it's out. So I'm going to take these y's and I'm going to plug them in over here and see if when I subtract 4, I get these x's. All right, I'm going to zoom in just to make this a little easier. So I'm just right on it. X equals y minus 4. Okay, first one, negative 4 minus 4. Is that 0? No. Negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. So this one is out. Okay, B, again, we're doing y minus 4 to get the x. 6 minus 4, does that equal 2? Yes, it does. B is still in the running. C, 14 minus 4, does that equal 3? No. 14 minus 4 equals 10. So this one is also out. Finally, 9 and 5. 9 minus 4, does that equal 5? Yes, it does. It's still in. That did not take me much time to subtract 4 from those numbers. And that's something you can do pretty quickly in your head. You don't have to write it out. And now I'm down to 2 answers, and that's much easier to plug into this. So I'm going to start at the top, 2 and 6. So I'm plugging in 2 every time there's an x. I'm also doing it because that's easier to calculate than 5. 2 makes it easier. The math is easier. Again, speed. We want speed here. So I'm going to plug 2 in wherever there's an x and see what I get. So 2 squared is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. And then just the minus 4. So if I have 4 plus 6 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4, those are canceling out. I am going to be left with 6. And that's what we said. So this is going to equal 6. So that is my y. So my answer is B, 2 and 6. Just to show you what would happen if I plugged in 5. Let's do that. So just to double check it. This is a good thing to do if you end up with a little extra time at the end. Like if you rush through it and you do as fast as you can because you know you have that time pressure. You can go back, you can do these kind of things to check and see, double check and make sure your answer is right. So here I'm going to check D. 5 squared is 25. 3 times 5 is 15 minus 4. Ooh, this is not going to be 9. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 minus 4 is 36. That does not equal 9. So that's my confirmation. The answer is B. If this was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.